In today's video, I will show you how to create this amazing pass-through wall effect using CapCut. First, record the video of yourself walking toward the wall. Knock on the wall, then wait for 1 to 2 seconds. Then walk past it slowly by the side of the wall. Next, go to YouTube and search for wall crack green effect. Tap the 3 dots and select Creative Commons. Then screen record any green screen wall crack effect you like. After that, crop the video to match the size of your main video. Open your CapCut app and import your main video, the one where you knock on the wall. Tap on Overlay and import the green screen wall crack video. Place it right at the part where you are about to walk by the wall. Tap on the green screen clip, go to Remove BG, then select Chroma key. Use the color picker to choose the green background. Adjust the intensity and shadow until the green disappears. Position the crack effect correctly. Take a screenshot at the moment the wall effect appears, just as you are about to enter the wall. Crop it to the video size. Then go to Overlay and add that screenshot. Stretch it to match the size and timing of the main video. You can also slow down the green screen effect if needed. Tap on the screenshot, then select Remove BG. Choose Custom Remover. Tap on Brush and carefully brush out the parts you don't want to show, especially the far side. Here is what the final results look like. Pretty cool, right? It looks like I just walked through a wall. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more creative video editing tricks. Thanks for watching.